Hey guys, it's Alex. Thank you for watching another video. So as you guys can see by the title, we actually got downpipes installed. My new BMW M4 competition X drive. I can tell you guys right now, it sounds amazing just for downpipes. I don't know if you guys are familiar with these cars and their whole exhaust setup, but there's like 5 more things, including the muffler. There's secondary cats. I think there's a resonator and then the muffler, or 2 resonators, I'm sorry. But yeah, I was told that there was like 5 more things under there that it was muffling the sound, but the car already sounds pretty loud. It sounds pretty nice. I think in the future maybe we're gonna go with like a mid-pipe setup as well, something that will make it sound a little better, because these cars are unequal length exhaust, so that's where the little bit of the rasp comes from what I've read at least. SSR Downpipes, to be exact. They're a very reputable company. I've never used any of their stuff before, but these downpipes came out awesome. The welds, everything looked very high quality, and they sound awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys in this video how they sound. I didn't make a previous video. I made a short video of how the exhaust sounded stock, completely bone stock. And now with these downpipes, I'm gonna make a whole video on them, do some flybys, do some revs with both the car in efficient mode and in sports plus mode. So I'm gonna go ahead and go post up in a good spot right now to get some revs going, just letting the car warm up a little bit. I actually just started the car not that long ago. Before I do any of this, I want it to be at optimal temp, because we are gonna hit the red line. So I wish I could show you guys the downpipes, but there's honestly no way of showing you guys unless I jack up the car, take some stuff off and all that. But even the idle right now, just on efficient mode, but it just sounds nice. Like that's the sound of what it would sound like just idling with just the stock exhaust, nothing done to it, and on like sports mode or something, sports plus. But it sounds awesome. I really like the sound. Nothing compared to like a Daza or something like that, you know, but these cars, they sound amazing. I know there's a lot of people in the previous video, it was actually a YouTube short, you know, saying that they don't like the sound of this. I could care less what they say. I really like inline motors, inline 6 motors. This car sounds amazing. Just wait till you guys hear it. So let me go ahead and get the car posted up somewhere, just right here in this random parking lot, so we can get some good revs right now. I forgot to mention, the car does have the XHP Stage 3 transmission tune, so the shifts are super crisp and they just sound so good. It's like a supercar sound, to be honest, just because how fast they shift. And it's not a dual clutch transmission either, which is crazy. They shift insanely fast. Super close to a dual clutch. All right, guys. So there, I give you guys some flybys, some revs, a little extra. I hope you guys. I mean, I'm telling you guys right now that this sound of this car on the video, I listened to it and everything already, and in person, just the video just doesn't do it justice. In person, it sounds so much better. But and I'm a huge fan of it. I think they sound so much better than the S55 engines in the previous generation M4 and M3. But a lot of people will say that they sound the same, but in my opinion, this one sounds a little bit closer to like a more B58 type sound, a little bit more raw, less rasp, a little bit deeper tone. I really like the sound of this. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. If you guys like the sound, if you don't like the sound, it's okay. I mean, it's not for everybody. Especially if you're like a Daza guy, you're gonna be used to that amazing 5-cylinder, all you Daza guys that are still subscribed. But that being said, guys, I am gonna wrap up the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down in the comment section. And I'll see you guys in the next one.